This is Yahtzee Botzee version 7.2. It's a Yahtzee-playing robot made out of Legos.
Here we go.
Just one Lego, the NXT brick. The graphical user interface and artificial intelligence were developed in NXC code, about 1,700 lines of it. You can run this program just like any other. We get a startup screen prompting to hit the orange button again. Then we select any number of players up to 8, which can be any combination of humans and robots. You can toggle through things using the left and right arrows and select with the orange button. For this example, we'll pick robot, human, and another robot. Here's the first robot. This will be a quick overview of how it works. You see the spinning dice, then a view of what's been rolled. This will repeat for each turn. At the end of the third turn, you see the scorecard, and the robot quickly decides how to score that turn. Here's our human player. When ready, hit the orange button to stop the spinning dice. Then you can toggle which ones to keep or re-roll by hitting the orange button, where the underline denotes that we're going to keep that particular die. When done, go over to the bottom right corner, hit the orange button to re-roll. Now only the dice that we've selected will be spinning. Alright, we've got a small straight here. 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll keep those and re-roll. Notice in the top left there was a scorecard option, so at any time in the middle of a turn you can view the scorecard.
Ooh, large straight.
Alright, here it is at the end of the turn. We see what we've rolled at the bottom of the screen. We toggle through the categories using the arrows and hit the orange button to score. If we were to pick a category that had already been occupied, we would be unable to score it there and have to pick somewhere else. Here's the other robot, getting some ones. This will continue for all 13 turns, which could take a while. So let's jump ahead. Here we are toward the end of another game where player 1 was a human, me, and player 2 is a robot. Here's the very last turn of the game. This is the robot. Alright, here are the totals. I got 208, which is okay.
208.
And the robot
And the computer
got 273.
destroyed me.
Beat me pretty bad.
73.
After running this for about 100 trials, the robot averages somewhere in the 240s. It has very large variability, where it shoots a lot of games in the low 200s, but occasionally it's 400 or even 500. So the robot is consistently a little better than I am.